Hey guys, it's Dean. Welcome to ManFlow Yoga. In this video, I'm announcing the release of a brand new workout program in my members area. This is called the Flexibility, Mobility, and Joint Health for Inflexible Yoga Beginners Program. It's a long title, but hopefully it gets across the point to who I'm trying to reach and who this program is going to help. So if you're a guy who's been working out and you're in your 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, or even in your 70s and beyond, and you're starting to notice that you're having pain in your shoulders or pain in your knees or pain in your back, and you didn't used to have this pain, usually that's due to a lack of mobility. It's because we're focusing on our strength training, we're focusing on getting that pump or focusing on those intense, hard-hitting exercises, and we're neglecting the critical mobility component that you need in order to keep your body healthy, to keep it functioning, and also to be able to exercise without pain. So I made this program specifically for those guys who are, again, 30s, 40s, 50s, and beyond, who are active, who are working out, but are just starting to notice that their lack of attention to mobility training is starting to interfere with the way that they're working out. So my goal for you guys is to be able to keep doing what you're doing, to keep lifting weights, to keep running, to keep playing sports if that's what you're doing, but just to help you train a little bit more intelligently. So the way this program works is the workouts are about 35 minutes in length. They average about 35 minutes. They're anywhere from 20 to 40 minutes in length. And you don't have to stop doing your other workouts. I recommend that you do at least 3 workouts per week of these workouts, but you can keep doing all the other stuff that you're doing. And because these workouts aren't very demanding, they're demanding in a different kind of way because they're going to be focused, they're going to be training you to do things that you haven't done in a while, which is going to make you stronger. But they're not high intensity, they're not high impact workouts. So you can easily do these at the opposite end of whenever you're training, right? So if you're lifting weights in the evening, maybe you can do this workout in the morning. Or if you're lifting weights at in the morning, then you can do these mobility routines in the evening. And what this is going to do is just going to help with how your body feels in general. It's going to make exercise feel much more smooth. So you're going to have less joint pain. You're going to feel like you can go through the full range of motion without little cricks and cracks in your ankles. You're also going to recover more quickly from your workouts. You're going to notice that you have more range of motion. You're going to be able to turn from side to side and kind of go deeper into your lunges, deeper into your squats. And everything's just going to start to feel way better as a result. And again, this program, who's it for? This program is made for those guys who are in their 30s, 40s, 50s, and beyond, and who have been neglecting mobility for a long time and recognize that they need to start doing it, but they don't want to do traditional yoga, right? So this is very much fitness-focused yoga. Personally, I've been an athlete my entire life. I played lacrosse in college. I still play lacrosse now. I lift weights. I do a lot of active things, and I do yoga to ensure that I can keep doing all those things. And I do yoga so that I can get better at all those other things that I'm doing. So this program is for those guys who enjoy what they're doing, who don't want to stop, but also want to feel better when they're doing that and not have to experience discomfort when they're exercising or have to worry about injuries as much. So some things this program is going to do for you. We're going to work on flexibility in your entire body. So we're going to be working on your spine, mostly on your spine and your hips, but also your shoulders, your back, your chest, and your ankles. We're also going to be strengthening your body in new ways. So we're going to be working on your core, working on your back strength, working on your hips, basically addressing common weaknesses of people like office workers. So if you're sitting a lot, people who are doing a lot of weight training but aren't doing a lot of core or hip strengthening, runners who are doing a lot of repetitive, pound and ground but aren't doing a lot of hip or core strengthening, and then people with back pain. So either exercise-induced or just people with chronic back pain, and really anybody who hasn't done yoga before. So again, this is a program for inflexible yoga beginners, and I hope that, anyway, so that's kind of it. The workout program is anywhere from 2 to 4 months in length, so depending on how fast you go. It includes 4 different phases and 20 workouts, not including all of the supplementary workouts. So in addition to your main workouts, we also have some restorative workouts that you can try. We also have a lot of recommended workouts that you can be doing in addition to this. And then when you get access to this workout program, you also have access to all of the other workouts in the members area. So you'll get these 20 workouts as part of the program to follow, but you also have over 260 workouts that you can also access and utilize with your training. So this is the program. Again, it's called Flexibility, Mobility, and Joint Health for Inflexible Yoga Beginners. It's available in the members area, which is typically closed for enrollment, but this week, if you're watching this between August 14th and August 20th, it is open for enrollment. So you can join the members area today. It's just $1 to sign up, and that gets you access to this program, but also to all of our other programs. And again, it's just $1 to sign up. And then from there, it's between $15 to $25 per month, depending on the plan that you select. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to just leave a comment below this video. You can send me an email at dean@manflowyoga.com. But I hope to see you in the members area. I hope to see you on this program. And if it's not the right time for you, I hope you continue to utilize the resources on the Manflow Yoga website. We've got a lot of free workouts in the blog section. And of course, we also have my YouTube channel, the Facebook page, and my Instagram channel, where we put out a lot of other content on a daily basis to help you get stronger with yoga and teach you how to integrate yoga with what you're already doing. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful. Hope you learned a little bit about how yoga can help improve your mobility. And I hope to see you in the members area. Thanks again for watching.